his Independence Day speech from the ramparts of the Red Fort, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a major proposal to reform India's goods and services tax termed GST 2.0. The present GST tax rates of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% are proposed to be replaced by two tax slabs of 5% and 18%.
Well, right now we know that GST rates are 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, and of course a few more rates. I have a feeling that the rate of 12% may be integrated with 5% and 18%, where most of the goods in 12% category, and mind you, these are daily use goods, the goods that probably get used in the kitchen or get used on an everyday basis. So most of these goods, I feel, might move to 5% category. We should not forget about 19% of goods fall in the 12% category. So if most of them come to the 5% category and a few of them to the 18% category, I think it will bring relief to the consumers because it will make the prices cheaper.
As many as 99% of items in the 12% category, such as butter, fruit juices and dry fruits, would move to a 5% tax rate. Similarly, electronic items like ACs, TVs, fridges and washing machines, as well as other goods like cement, will be among the 90% of the items that will move from 28% to a lower 18% slab. According to Prime Minister Modi, these reforms will benefit the poor, middle class and businesses and strengthen India's economy.
Rationalization in the GST rate is, as I said earlier, there are 4 rates. Now, there is a clamor, there is a demand that there is a confusion which arises when different rates are there. And the whole purpose of introducing GST was one nation, one tax, and which will mean that there will be a one rate of tax. So now I believe the GST Council is deliberating upon the issue that if not one, how we can reduce these 4 different type of tax rates.
Sources suggest a top tax rate of 40% will apply to 5 to 7 demerit items like tobacco, pan masala and online gaming. While the government anticipates a fall in revenue collections initially, it expects lower rates to boost consumption and compensate for the shortfall over time. The GST Council is expected to discuss and finalize the proposal in its next meeting ahead of the festive season.